Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Jasmy. Wanted to do an update. Yesterday was relatively bullish. I also posted about it on X a little bit because we got a significant bullish breakout. And I think in general, since Monday, I haven't covered Jasmy in 2 days, I believe, but since Monday, we've actually turned slightly more bullish. And I think we have the opportunity here to see a bullish reversal. So that's what I wanted to talk about. That's what I wanted to let you know. I think most of you will agree with me on this because the technical setup we have so far is actually quite bullish for Jasmy, and therefore I think it's interesting for you. I do want to let you know right at the start of this video. Today we have major economic news, right? So we have the CPI and the inflation rate. That's going to cause a lot of movement for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin falls down here, if Bitcoin is unable to hold its main support level at 56,000, then Jasmy will fall as well. All right, so I do think technically we are seeing strong bullish confirmations, and those are valuable. But Jasmy at this point of time is not that strong that it can hold its levels while Bitcoin is falling. So just know that. But no, what we're seeing with Jasmy here, first of all, yesterday was quite bullish. Started Monday already, but what we saw is that over the course of Monday, we actually had some big buy orders coming in. So that was great. That pushed Jasmy above 1.9 cents, which you can see historically is quite a strong level here. And then yesterday, obviously, the bullish momentum continued. But I have to say, yesterday it was more a mix of short positions being closed and shorts being liquidated, which you can also see down here. So that's when we're talking about the momentum you want to see, like price goes up is always good, right? But this, what we saw earlier, is much better than this because shorts closing and liquidations and short liquidations, like you cannot build a bull run on top of that. So that's also why we rejected. Bitcoin also retraced a little bit. And then after the debate, Bitcoin has pulled back a little bit more. And Jasmy is pulling back together with it. So that correlation is definitely still there. And there's also not a ton of momentum for Jasmy. But the structure for Jasmy is much, much more bullish, right? Because what you have is you have the strong support level at 1.9 cents, a kind of like a bullish checkmate down here. And we did get the bullish breakout on the higher time frames. So if Jasmy is able to hold, excuse me. Just drawing random things on the chart now. If Jasmy is able to hold 1.9 here, what will happen is that this will slowly transition into an uptrend, or at least we will be back in this old consolidation we were in, which also has a range high of at least like 2.2 and 2.25 cents, which is a nice move up from here. So this is ideally what we want to see. What this all depends on is, can we hold that level at 1.9 cents? And honestly, unfortunately, I think that depends on the market. If we get some good readings from the inflation rate and the CPI, Jasmy will be able to hold this level. Jasmy will reclaim 2 cents and rally up higher. And I am not an economist, all right? So I cannot tell you what the CPI or the inflation rate is going to do. Nobody can. Otherwise, they would trade it, right? So we have to wait for that. Purely technically, I would say this is most likely because we got a significant bullish breakout with real momentum. And so far, we've been able to hold that level. And sure, we pulled back a bit, but that was after hitting a significant resistance level here at 0.0205, which also has the 200 EMA and some other significant resistance levels. So that was also to be expected. So getting that pullback isn't the end of the world. So those are my thoughts. I would say this is most likely, but I'm not trading this until we actually get some positive numbers. And that's what I think you need to know. If anything happens, if anything major happens, I'll be able to keep you updated. I will keep you updated. There's no major news right now regarding Jasmy as a project. No major developments we need to talk about. We will have some later this year, hopefully, and I will keep you updated on that as well, but nothing major now. So have a great day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next videos. Bye.